Not familiar with Business Central, it is Microsoft's offering for small and mid-sized businesses, providing an all-in-one solution for your finances, your sales, your operations, your supply chain, your service, etc. Really a great solution for running businesses in a pretty wide range. Business Central's had tremendous momentum. We're excited to announce that we have over 30,000 customers running Business Central online in the cloud around the world. This includes over 4,800 apps on AppSource. A great thing about Business Central is not just all the great capabilities that we deliver out of the box, but the incredible ecosystem. They're vertical solutions for pretty much every industry, from agriculture to banking to legal to manufacturing to construction. There's horizontal solutions for connecting to pretty much anything, whether it be shipping services, tax, payroll, banks, etc. And then we have tremendous global support. Business Central is available in 160 countries, so pretty much wherever you're watching this, there's likely not just Business Central availability, but localization where it has the regulatory features, the customizations, the compliance, the things that you need to run and operate in your geography. The team's been working really hard on Business Central, and in 2023 Wave 2, we think it's one of the best waves ever. We've invested a lot in core finance and supply chain. In terms of one of our big bets is multi-company support. You can now support multiple companies across environments. This includes master data management. It includes reconciling accounts or reconciling transactions across multiple companies, really broadening the scope and possibilities you can do with Business Central. We've invested a lot in supply chain, things around warehouse management, configuring your warehouse, how you manage your inventory. We've invested in reporting, e-documents, regulatory capabilities. Again, big investments in core functionality. AI and collaboration, this is a huge part of our vision and our spirit. I'll go ahead and show you a few demos of that coming up in a couple minutes. Ease and use, for us, it's not just having the capabilities, but ensuring that customers can discover them, use them, and be efficient. The team is always investing in usability, ensuring that everything is nice and easy to discover, very fast, and we hope that you like some of the improvements we've done in this space. And again, on geographies, you can see the additional countries or availability that we have, again, ensuring that we're a global and worldwide product. And lastly, hopefully you don't really notice this, but in the back end, we invest a lot in being a world-class service. We want to make sure that Business Central Online is always fast, reliable, secure, scalable, compliant. We want you to be focused on your business, on your needs, on your customers, and let Microsoft focus on ensuring we run a service, we do it efficiently, and we do it reliably. I'm going to show